B. Kanaan residence by Sahel AlHiyari architects in Amman, Jordan. The project entails the construction of a single-family detached house situated within a densely populated area of Amman. Spanning an approximate land area of 1,000 square meters at the intersection of two roads, the property is surrounded by residential buildings ranging from 2 to 3 floors. The primary objective of the project is to create a secluded yet connected living space, emphasizing a strong connection to a garden and abundant natural light. This vision is realized through the separation and accommodation of the house's functions across 3 levels, 2 above ground and 1 below. The ground level serves as the heart of the home, housing essential spaces such as the living rooms, dining room, kitchen, and bathroom. This level is divided into 2 sections, a double-height space featuring a main living room with skylights filtering light into the area below and single-height spaces, accommodating the dining room, kitchen, and restroom, with the main bedroom suite situated above. The ground level is directly connected to the garden through a series of large horizontal windows. Beneath the ground level, 3 bedrooms and a living room are discreetly positioned, each accompanied by a sunken garden to provide ample light, ventilation, and privacy. This layout ensures a sense of seclusion, with all windows discreetly screened by the courtyards. The exterior facade of the building and the garden wall are clad in hand-chiseled beryl stone, paying homage to the early modernist architecture of Jordan. This choice of materiality creates a unified and monumental presence, blending the traditional elements of the garden wall seamlessly with the residence. Furthermore, the interior of the house celebrates local craftsmanship, exemplified by the intricate detailing of hand-chiseled gypsum scores lining the double-height space. Not only do these features echo the exterior aesthetic, but they also serve as acoustic surfaces, enhancing the interior ambience. In summary, the proposed design embodies a harmonious blend of privacy, connection to nature, and appreciation for local craftsmanship, resulting in a distinctive and inviting living environment within the bustling cityscape of Amman.